Hello, it's science time. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Jane. You can call me Miss Jane. Are you ready? Let's start. Now, I want you to relax for a while. Sit nicely and make sure your chair is comfortable. Finish? Next step, I want you to close your eyes and listen what sound that you hear. Can you do that? If I count until 3, you must close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Relax your body. I will start the sound and remember what sound that you hear one by one. Okay, now if I count until 3, you can open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Hello, how do you feel? Relax? Okay. Now, I want to ask you, what sound that you hear when you close your eyes? What the first sound that you hear? Yes, the sound of bird chirp. What the second sound that you hear? Yes, the sound of hand clapping. And then what the third sound that you hear? Yes, the sound of crying. And then the last, what the sound that you hear? Yes, the sound of door. Yay, good job. From that activity, today we will learn about sound. Are you ready? I want you to pay attention for a while. What is sound? Sound is all around us. Things that make sounds are called sources of sound. For example, raindrops splash. The wind whistles. Bird chirp. Mice squeak. Babies cry. And then we talk and sing. Next, how are sounds made? Sounds are made when objects vibrate. Vibrates means to move backwards and forwards very fast. When you clap your hands move. This makes the air around your hands vibrate. The vibrations enter your ears and you hear the sound. Your brain works out what the sound is. This is the step of brain's works. We can see some vibrations, like when you flick a plastic ruler. You put your hand on your throat and hum. We cannot see some vibrations, but we can hear a sound. Feeling and seeing vibrations. We cannot see sound, but we can hear it. We cannot see air vibrating. We can see or feel the source of the sound vibration. When an object vibrates, it makes a sound. Volume of sounds. Sounds can be loud or soft. This is called volume. For example, hitting a drum harder makes a louder sound. But hitting a drum gently makes a softer sound. When an object makes big vibrations, the sound is louder. When an object makes small vibrations, the sound is softer. From that explanation, I want you to answer the example questions. Number 1. The louder the sound, the blah 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 the vibration. What the suitable answer? Yes, good job. Bigger. And then, second, the softer the sound, the blah 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 the vibration. What the suitable answer? Yes, good job. Smaller. So, number 1, the louder the sound, the bigger the vibration. And then second, the softer the sound, the smaller the vibrations. Okay. Next question. The bigger the vibration, the blah 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 the sound. Yes, louder. Number 2, the smaller the vibration, the blah 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 the sound. Yes, good job. Softer. So, number 1, the bigger the vibration, the louder the sound. And the second, the smaller the vibration, the softer the sound. Volume and pitch in string instruments. On the previous explanation, you learned that we change the volume of sound to make them louder or softer. Some instruments make high and low sound. The pitch of a sound describes how high or low the sound is. A guitar is a string instrument. We play string instruments by plucking or stroking the strings. Musicians can change the volume of string instruments by how hard or gently they stroke or pluck the strings. How high or low the pitch is depends on the thickness or tightness of the strings. Volume and pitch in wind instruments. You have learned that in a drum, the top of the drum vibrates to make a sound. In a guitar, the strings vibrate to make a sound. In some musical instruments, like recorder, the air inside must vibrate for it to make a sound. We call these instruments wind instruments. So, wind instrument is when the air inside must vibrate for it to make a sound. As your activity, I want you to put your fingers lightly on your voice box and speak. Can you feel your voice box vibrate? When your voice box vibrates, it makes the air around it vibrate. The vibration enters your ear and you can hear the sound of your voice. Yay! It's project time! As your project, I want you to make a short video how you make the sound from these parts of your body, such as hands, feet, fingers, and tongue. Talk about how you made the sound. Use the word vibration in each description. I will give you one example of this sentence of hands. Hands. I feel the vibration and hear the sound when I clap my hands. Can you do that? Okay. After you watch the video, I want you to do your assignment in Google Classroom and don't forget to submit on time. Thank you and bye-bye.